satisfied with our latest motor parts. Hi everyone, at Champion Works we're passionate about helping you optimize your driving experience with top quality motor parts. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, we got everything you need to keep your vehicle running. Here's what we have in store for you. 1. Wide range of products. From spark plugs to brake pads, we offer a comprehensive selection of motor parts for various makes and models. No matter what you're looking for, we got you covered. 2. Uncompromising quality. We understand the importance of reliability and durability when it comes to motor parts. That's why we source our products from trusted manufacturers known for their exceptional quality and performance. 3. Expert advice. Not sure which part is right for your vehicle? Our team of automotive experts is here to help. Whether you have questions about compatibility or installation, we'll provide you with the guidance you need to make an informed decision. 4. Fast and convenient delivery. We know you can afford to wait when your vehicle needs repairs or maintenance. That's why we offer fast and reliable shipping option to ensure you get your parts when you need them. 5. Satisfaction guaranteed. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you are completely satisfied with your purchase, simply let us know and we'll do everything we can do make it right. Ready to upgrade your ride? Visit our website. Browse our selection of motor parts and accessories today. Thank you for choosing Champion Works for all your automotive needs. I am Alan Iverson Montoya. Don't forget my company name, Champion Works. You can see my contact information here. Thank you. Bye!